I'm so excited to be doing a jewelry try on for you guys of some new pieces from Linjer. They're currently doing a summer sale right now that's happening through the end of August. So if you've had your eye on anything, now is the time to grab it. All of the pieces that I'm gonna be showing you are part of the sale, as well as the pieces that I am currently on. I'll have these in the description box. Also be sure to use my discount code, which I'll have linked in the description as well. We're gonna go ahead and jump on in. I've got so many great pieces to show you. This video is sponsored by Linjer, but who isn't excited to open up some jewelry? This is what the box looks like. I have a sign for it because obviously it's nice jewelry. Inside of the box here, we've got the tissue paper, the gold logo sticker. Open it up, and we have got quite a few pieces to go through. Let's just start with what's on top right here. This is what the box looks like. This is a recyclable box. Just remove the ribbon and you can recycle the packaging. And inside of our first box here, we've got the blue dust bag and a jewelry care card. This is what the dust bag looks like. It's this beautiful navy blue with the gold foiled Linjer on the front. We open it up and it looks like we've got a pair of earrings. These are the scalloped huggy earrings. These are in gold vermeil. Linjer's gold vermeil pieces are over a sterling silver base, so they have a super thick layer of 22 karat gold that is 5 times thicker than gold plated jewelry. So even though these are gold vermeil, they are very high quality. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture on these. These are the earrings in. Also, Linjer does 100% recycled materials. So this is recycled gold on top of recycled sterling silver. I love the shape of these. They almost feel like a seashell. I think they're such a beautiful earring for the summer. They give so much good texture as well. Obviously, if I didn't have these earrings in, they would be beautiful by themselves, but I also love how they look with some lab diamond earrings next to them. These are also so great because they hug really close to the ear. They'd be great in a second piercing as well if you wanted to wear like a bigger hoop in your main piercing. For those of you who really like solid gold and lab diamonds though, we've got a lot, do not worry. I just thought these were so cute on the site. I really wanted to show these to y'all because I thought they were very unique and I love the shape of them. Let's do one of the jewelry boxes. I love Linjer's packaging. I've talked about this in my previous Linjer videos. Their packaging is so beautiful. If you ever need to get a gift for somebody, I just think the way that their boxes show up is just so elegant. I love the navy blue ribbons. The dust bags are so lovely. I feel like they just do such a great job on their packaging. Inside of here though, we've got another jewelry box, and this is so stunning, you guys. Just to show you guys what this jewelry box looks like, it has the embossed Linjer on the front, really gorgeous white box, and inside of here we've got some lab diamond huggy earrings. These are the Rosa marquise and round diamond huggy earrings in 14 karat gold and lab diamonds. They are absolutely stunning, you guys. I wish you could see their lab diamond pieces in person because they have so much good sparkle. Oh, I love the shape of these. Right now I actually have in the Zoya earrings. These are a marquise and round diamond huggy earring. Very similar shape and size, but I'll show you them side by side with the new earrings. So these are the two earrings. The Rosa, the new ones, are these, and then the Zoya, which I already had in, which is very similar, are these. But as you can see, the Rosa are like a little bit wider of a design. Both huggies though, both absolutely stunning 14 karat gold, lab diamond, beautiful dainty design, so unique as well. And this is what they look like in next to the vermeil earrings. I absolutely love these. I think they are so stunning. I love that they're a little bit wider than the Zoyas. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at those. They just add so much interest to any earring stack. Also, if you don't have additional piercings, these would be so pretty as an everyday earring and a main piercing as well. And here are the two in my ears. So we have the Zoya and the Rosa. These are the new ones here. These are the ones that I already have. They're both so pretty. Honestly, love this as an earring stack as well. We're just gonna grab another box out. So many good pieces, you guys. I cannot wait for you to see all of these. We have another dust bag, and inside of our bag here, we've got some more earrings. Also, they put them in these little bags so that the earrings don't scratch each other, just so you guys know. These are the pear cut diamond dangle studs. These are in 10 karat gold and lab diamonds. They are so dainty. That's one of my favorite things about Linjer is their jewelry is always so dainty and elegant, but absolutely stunning. Also, these are the Selma diamond leaf earrings. I wear these all the time and they are one of my top recommendations during the sale. I think they're such a beautiful stud. These are the new earrings and they are so pretty. They actually have a lot of images of people wearing these up here in the cartilage. I think they're really beautiful as a second or third as well, but I think that's what's so nice about a small earring like this is you can kind of move them around and wear them in a bunch of different places. But I think they're so pretty and unique and I love how they look in my third piercing. On to our next box, and inside of our box here we've got a ring. This is the Julie Baguette diamond ring in 14 karat gold with, again, lab grown diamonds. I love the way that this ring is set. There's actually 5 baguette diamonds that are set in a half eternity band. This is a 14 karat gold ring. I think it's so pretty. I really love how it looks from the side. It's just so beautifully made. And I've got it up against a thin dome ring from Linjer. I think it's such a pretty combo. On to our next box. Told you we have a lot and we're only like halfway through. We've got another dust bag, and inside of this dust bag we've got a necklace. Oh wow, I really hope that I can even do this one justice. Do you see how beautiful that is? This is the Mara diamond drop station necklace in 14 karat gold and lab diamonds. It's got these beautiful haircut lab grown diamonds that just like dangle from the chain. They basically float. They're so pretty. I love that. I don't have anything like this. This is so gorgeous. It's honestly hard to even capture how beautiful this is in person. It is very dainty. It actually matches the necklace that I have on. I love this as a higher layered necklace. It does have 3 adjustable lengths. I love it on the shortest length though. I think it just looks so beautiful. Wow. It's one of those pieces you really need to see in person to like fully get the beauty of the diamonds. Absolutely love that. Okay, on to our next box. Inside of this box, we've got some more earrings. These are the A-line pear cut diamond drop half eternity huggies. They have the diamonds that go down the front, the diamond drop, again, lab diamonds, 14 karat gold. These are absolutely stunning. They match the necklaces that I'm wearing. They also match the earrings that I have in my third piercing. I don't think I realized that I got a lot of pear-shaped diamonds in this video, but I think they're so pretty. I love a subtle drop earring like that, how they just dangle. These would look obviously very beautiful in a second piercing if you wanted to wear them with a longer dangly earring or a bigger hoop in your main piercing. I love that they're versatile like that. On to our next box. We've got some more earrings. These are your classic 14 karat gold huggy earrings. As you can see, they're delicate, they're dainty. They're perfect for all day wear. This is what they look like in. I honestly love how they contrast against the diamond hoops. I feel like they just add to the stack. These are a really versatile size. You could definitely wear them in your second piercing. They're about the same size as these, but they also work in your main piercing if you just want a very simple out of the way hoop. Onto our next box. And inside of our box, we've got some more earrings. These are stunning. These are the Allegra diamond drop huggy earrings in 14 karat gold, lab diamonds. They've got these beautiful round solitaire diamonds that dangle from the earring. Really nice hoop width as well. I think these are so pretty. I love everything about these. I think the width of the hoop is really nice to where you can wear it on your main piercing. It's a great size. I love the size of the diamond, the way that it's set. I think these are such a pretty earring, and they definitely are big enough to where you wouldn't need to wear them with anything else. I think they're really pretty just like by themselves. On to our last box, which I'm kind of sad about. These have all been so pretty. I absolutely love Linjer's jewelry. It's just so beautiful. Okay, what do we have here? In our last box here, we've got some earrings, and these are actually studs. These are the Esme pear cut diamond stud earrings. I actually don't have any studs in pear cut. It's actually so funny. I feel like all of the pieces that I gravitated towards for this video were pear cuts. I think they're such a beautiful style. I love the way that these look in my third piercing. I think these are so pretty, and honestly, this is the ultimate earring stack. Just copy and paste this one into your cart. I love how all three of these look together. You've got the round drop earring, the pear stud, this beautiful huggy earring. I think these are so pretty. And honestly, these are kind of filling a hole that I had in my jewelry collection. So I'm really excited for a pear stud. I think these are so pretty. Honestly, nothing better than ending on an earring stack like this. Those are all the pieces for this video. Like I said, they're having a sale right now through the end of August, so be sure to click the link and check out the sale. All of these pieces I will have linked in the description box. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know what your favorite piece was, and I'll see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye guys.